I like to draw fashion illustrations. Beautiful sketches by fashion designers bring a lot of inspiration to me. I copy pictures of designs and draw my own ones too. The other day, I wanted to draw a dress full of pretty flowers, but I thought of a better way to do it than drawing many flowers. I'm going to make a collage with the beautiful flowers I found in a magazine. Let's make a beautiful spring fairy. We will need white paper, construction paper, scissors, some glue, a pencil, an eraser, colored pencils, and flowers cut from a magazine. You can also use pictures or copies of flowers. First, draw a girl wearing a plain dress on a white paper. Color her body with colored pencils and draw the face and hair. Cut it with scissors and put it on colored paper. How about choosing the color green that represents spring? We have a drawing and flowers. We are all ready. Decorate your dress with flowers. Position the flowers on the dress and think about how you're going to put them. Glue the flowers to the dress. Then glue some flowers to her head to decorate. Great! Fresh flowers seem to bloom on the dress of the spring fairy. I can feel that spring is coming. Do you want to try it with me? It'll be fun. I hope you enjoy it. See you in the next video. Bye!